Alrighty, I have an AlpenFury construction update for you guys today. It's a small one, but we got some cool drone footage at the end of it. So, starting off the update, we have AlpenFury's tester seat. It is ready to be installed. The queue line is also making amazing progress, as well as this whack-a-mole game that is underneath that other booth. So, there's an AlpenFury whack-a-mole game that has gone over there. I didn't get to my update yesterday, so I did have footage from yesterday that I didn't use, but today I decided to make an update as it's a little more exciting with the queue line. So, yes, we have the test seat, the whack-a-mole game, and the queue line that has made a lot of progression, as well as just starting to clean up the area and get the final touches in, like the single-use ticket kiosk can also be found being installed as well. I think I had footage of it yesterday. I don't see it here on the screen, but maybe I just didn't look close enough. But they do have this single-use ticket kiosk that has arrived. But yeah, as you can tell, a lot of progress has happened on the queue line, so we are in the home stretch. Before the testing footage begins, I just want to invite you all to Santa's Village buyout. You can, for charity, buy out a seat on July 3rd. So I'm going to link that down below in the description. And the comment section down below. If you're interested, definitely partake in the buyout. That would mean a lot. We will be there for media as well as the buyout event. So super excited about it. I'll link the website here. It's for a really good cause, and the coaster is truly amazing. The park has been telling us that they're really proud of it, and their queue line alone is like Busch Gardens vibes, Williamsburg. So really excited to showcase the park to you guys because these new owners, they mean business. Anyways, thanks so much and have a good one. Bye.